First, let me show you what AI created.
Have you ever held a banknote in your hand and wondered why everyone agrees it's worth anything at all? Think about it for a moment. A thin piece of printed paper can buy a meal, a car, even a house. People work thousands of hours to earn it.
This AI YouTube niche is exploding right now, and almost nobody's talking about it. One tiny channel uploaded just 8 videos and already crossed 600,000 views. The craziest part? Every video was made almost entirely with AI. Today, I'll show you the exact workflow behind these channels, and at the end, you'll see the finished documentary it creates. Step 1. Generate the script and visual prompts. Everything starts inside ChatGPT. But here's where most people make a huge mistake. They ask AI to write an entire 30-minute documentary in one prompt. The result? Repetitive, generic, and honestly, pretty boring. Instead, use your master template prompt to generate viral documentary topics first. Once you find a topic you like, for example, the history of coffee, ask ChatGPT to break it into smaller sections. This is important because long-form documentaries usually run between 20 and 40 minutes, and generating them section by section keeps the storytelling much more natural. Now, once the script is finished, there's one more thing you need before making the video. Use your second master prompt. This prompt automatically turns each section of your narration into detailed cinematic visual prompts that perfectly match what's being said. That means when the narrator talks about ancient Ethiopia, your visuals also show ancient Ethiopia. Everything stays consistent from beginning to end. Now that both the script and visuals are ready, let's turn those prompts into actual videos. Step 2. Create the AI video clips. Open Flow AI. Create a new project. Switch the mode to video. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then choose the OmniFlash video model. Keep every clip at 10 seconds. Now simply copy the visual prompts you generated in ChatGPT and paste them into Flow AI one by one. Here's a small trick that saves a lot of time. Don't wait for one clip to finish before starting the next. While the current clip is rendering, paste the next prompt and keep the process moving. By the time you finish the last prompt, you'll already have most of your documentary generated. Now, all that's missing is the narration. Step 3. Convert the script into voiceover. For this, open Google AI Studio, one of the best free AI text-to-speech tools available. Paste your completed script into the script box. Try a few different AI voices until you find one that matches the style of your documentary. Once you're happy with the result, export the audio only. Now you have a professional documentary voiceover ready to use. The final step is putting everything together. Open CapCut. Import your AI voiceover, then import every AI-generated video clip. Place everything on the timeline in the correct order. Match each visual with the narration. If a scene ends too early, slow it down. If it stays too long, trim it slightly. These tiny adjustments make the final documentary feel much more professional. Once everything is synced, watch the entire video one final time to catch any timing issues. Then export your project in 4K. And that's it. Your AI-generated documentary is ready to upload. If you found this workflow helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.